Pipeline pressure replacement valve process. First, install a short pipe. Install and weld the short pipe. Add a reinforcing plate for the short pipe. Weld the reinforcing plate and monitor the pressure of the reinforcing plate. Second, pipeline opening. Install a special gate valve. Install a pipeline opening machine. Monitor the pressure of the opening machine and remove the material block with the opening machine. Third, balloon type occlusion. Install the balloon occluder. Balance the pressure of the occluder to perform balloon occlusion and complete the fluid occlusion. Fourth, replace the valve. Replace the damaged valve body. Release the pressure of the balloon and discharge the fluid in the occluder. Fifth, lower blocker occlusion. Install the lower blocker to block the pipeline. Tighten the emergency screw of the lower blocker. Retract the lower blocker. Disassemble the lower blocker and disassemble the special gate valve.